Hi there and welcome back. Let's play through Don't Stop Believin' in the key of C. We're practicing our pop progression. If you need to review anything in the tutorial, feel free to check that out. We're just going to launch right in here, starting on that C chord. 1, 2, here we go. Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going singer in a smoky room, the smell of wine and cheap perfume. For a smile they can share the night. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard, their shadows searching in the hiding somewhere in the night. Back to the pop progression. 1, 2, 3, 4. Verse 2, working hard to get my fill. Everybody wants a thrill, playing anything to roll the dice just one more time. Some will win, some will lose. Some were born to sing the blues. Oh, the movie never ends. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard, their shadows searching in the night. Street lights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. Here comes the chorus now. Don't stop believing. Hold on to the feeling. Street lights, people, let me hear you. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Street lights, people. Don't stop believing. Hold on to the feeling. Street lights, people. And on C. Beautiful. Nicely done. Thanks for joining me. Feel free to come on back and practice with me anytime you need. You can slow it down by clicking on the settings button below and clicking playback speed. Slow it down a little bit. You can leave out the chords just to work on your strumming, or you can leave out the strumming just to work on the chords. You can leave out all the playing just to sing along with me and get to know the song, get it in your ear as well. Lots of ways to practice with this video. Enjoy. One more quick thing. If this video was helpful to you, I encourage you to consider becoming a member. It's a great way to say thank you, to help keep this channel going, and also to enjoy some extra perks and resources on your musical journey. You can learn more by clicking join below next to the subscribe button, and I really appreciate the support. Thank you so much.